Code organization in your projects prevents chaos. Structure your C# application with clear namespaces, logical folders, and consistent naming conventions to make maintenance and collaboration effortless as your code base grows. Namespaces group related classes together, providing logical organization. Create folders like models, services, and controllers for physical separation, matching your namespaces. Keep files small, with one class per file for easier navigation and understanding. Use regions carefully because while region can group related code, it often hides clutter instead of fixing underlying organization problems. Follow solid principles for robust design, keep concerns separated into focus classes and methods, and use meaningful names that clearly express intent. Good organization makes onboarding new developers faster and maintaining code over time much more manageable.